how to get clients. Learn some elegant marketing strategies to grow an online business. 3 guaranteed strategies to getting the clients you want. Welcome. Never underestimate the importance of small steps. I know that you are listening to this book right now because you are looking for something special. You want to discover something new and gain deeper insight into something that has already been explored. We live in a world where it is easy to look for shortcuts to success. But the truth is that there are no shortcuts. No matter how hard you try, you won't be able to get ahead without putting in the work. The only way to reach your goals and achieve success is by putting in the effort and dedication day after day. Success is a journey and not a destination. Success is not something that can be achieved overnight. It takes consistency to reach the top, and it requires a lot of effort from an individual to make it happen. Everyone has his own journey to success, and it is important to stay focused on the long-term goal in order to achieve it. The key is to keep working hard, stay motivated, and never give up, no matter how difficult things may seem. Taking small steps is a great way to reach any goal, whether you are trying to improve your health, career, or relationships. Breaking down a big goal into something smaller, achievable steps can help you make progress and stay motivated. By taking small steps, you can take action on something that may have seemed impossible before. You can also track your progress more easily and celebrate successes along the way. Small steps are also easier to maintain over time, which makes them the ideal choice for long-term goals. Steps are an essential part of any process. Without them, it can be difficult to achieve a desired outcome or complete a task efficiently. Steps provide structure and guidance, allowing people to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. They also help ensure that all necessary steps are taken in order to complete the process correctly and in the most efficient way possible. The importance of steps can't be overstated. They are essential for successful completion of any project. The exact same thing when you want to attract high-quality clients effortlessly and consistently. It is important to follow certain steps. You need to come up with a smart strategy that will help you reach out to potential clients, build relationships with them, and convert them into paying customers. It is also important to be aware of different methods of marketing and how they can help you promote your business and attract more customers. By following the right steps, you can ensure that you have a successful client acquisition process. Getting clients is the key to success. Without clients, you will not be able to make money and grow your business. That's why it is important to know the key steps to getting clients, from building relationships and networking to creating a portfolio and marketing yourself online. There are several steps you can take to land new and unique clients and continue growing your business. By taking these steps and taking action on them, you can start getting more clients in no time. So let's dive right in and explore the different steps that you can take to get more clients. I have written this book to show you the best kept secrets most successful salespeople use to drive traffic and increase their customer base. In this book, you will learn how to leverage social media platforms to reach new audiences and how you can unlock the potential of your business and start growing it like never before. There are tens of thousands of people who earn a continuous stream of income working all of your hours a day. There are also hundreds of thousands who struggle and think there is a secret that is holding them back, a secret that will masters hide. The truth, all successful marketers have one thing in common that determines their success. They invest their precious time to create a product that sells like crazy. They price it between $20 and $30 and list it on a marketplace that has thousands of affiliates who can promote it to earn commissions. If 200 people promote the offer and each affiliate gets at least 50 sales from an offer that produces $20, you make passive income. How about launching a high-ticket offer such as $200 or $997 in front of a big email list? How about writing a book, pricing it at $10 and selling 5,000 or 10,000 copies? This is another way to make passive income. You can also launch your own software or a tool and ask for a reasonable price. That's how you become valuable in the marketplace. You know what your audience does not have, and you give them what they want and they pay you money. This is how digital marketing works. Get in a hot niche, come up with a unique idea, and watch people buy your product and your book. So many people don't think about launching a product or a program. Why? They say, I don't know how, it's pretty hard, I don't know what to write or where to start. What if I created this product and nobody buys it? We all have these concerns when we start a business. If you really want to be successful in affiliate marketing and earn 5 or 7 figures, you need to follow your passion, a skill you already know with proper knowledge. Maybe you are good at writing articles and books, maybe you do the best web design in the world, or perhaps you are really good at running successful online campaigns for small startups. Find your passion, package your knowledge in a course and sell it on a stable marketplace. You can also become successful without owning a single product. Just promote someone's product from the world's top digital marketplaces. I can say affiliate marketing is the best paid business model that helps people earn passive income. You first have to learn the basics before any high-level strategies of marketing, tips, techniques, methods, and exclusive business strategies. If you need clients, listen to this book. All successful entrepreneurs and business owners have good things in common. They have a clear vision, they understand their target markets, they are willing to take risks, and they are persistent. By learning from their successes and failures, you can identify what works for you and what doesn't. Additionally, by following their strategies for success, you can develop your own unique and new approach that will set you apart from the competition. If you are going to speed things up, go to highly successful entrepreneurs and internet masters and understand the plan they use to become successful, till you can apply them to your own business and reach greater heights. In this book, I will show you how to get clients and create a successful business. I will cover the various strategies you can use to attract new customers, such as using content marketing, social media, organic traffic, and more. You will also learn how to develop relationships with potential clients and convert them into paying customers. Getting a client is not an easy process. It requires hard work, dedication, and a lot of networking. It is important to have a clear understanding of your target market, the services you provide, and how you can help potential clients achieve their goals. You also need to be able to build strong communication with potential clients in order to increase their chances of closing the deal. The first step is to create a business plan. A business plan will give you a clear idea of what your goals and objectives are. It will also help you to set measurable goals that can be used to benchmark for success. Strategies and tactics are essential components of any successful business. Without them, it can be difficult to achieve the desired goals and objectives. Strategies are the long-term plans that startups use to reach their objectives, while tactics are the short-term actions taken in order to achieve those goals. Let's find out some of the most common strategies used by these people to get sales. Also, how you can use the exact same strategies to improve or grow your business. Follow all the steps I will show you and you will get the clients. What do most people struggle with? How many individuals do you know who struggle with marketing, who can't get ideal clients, who have the wrong business strategy, who want to grow and scale their businesses, who can figure out a buyer's formula? Without the ability to effectively sell products or services, a business cannot generate revenue and will eventually run out of money. The right strategy. If you are listening to this book right now, you are looking for a clear strategy to get more traffic, more leads, and customers to grow your own business. And in order to find the right strategy, you need to take it into consideration what your goal is, what resources you have available. Once you have these things, it is time to come up with a plan of action that will get you closer to achieving your goals. So what is a strategy? Strategy is a plan, a set of guidelines, a set of instructions that are used to achieve the goal. It is actually an important part of business. Strategy is the process of developing a plan or course of action to get a special goal. In the business world, strategy is often used to describe a company's overall direction and how it intends to achieve goals. It can also be used to describe the way in which an individual plans to accomplish their short-term goals. Remember, nothing is important than the right strategy. If you have the right strategy, you will achieve your planned goal. And if you have the ineffective strategy, you will fail and you will begin to work hard to develop the perfect strategy to gain and retain new customers and get what you really want. In order to grow your business, get the most leads, get the most traffic, and bring in crazy sales, the best way is to follow masters in an area where your passion is. These experts have done something and achieved the best results. These entrepreneurs have secrets and in-depth knowledge which is super impressive and know what works in the market. If you go to the best, they will train you, save you much time, and show you the most elegant strategy that works today, tomorrow, and in the coming years. If you know someone who has been doing marketing, sales, and earn continuous stream of income, follow that person, buy his course, his products, buy his books, sign up to his funnel, ask him for coaching, join his Facebook group, model his strategies, listen to what he says, and pay attention to how he promotes his message and get customers. Now here is the $1,000,000 question. What strategy should I put in place to attract unlimited paying customers? If you keep listening, you will get marketing strategies that work like crazy for getting more paying customers. We are living in a globalized world and customers are everywhere. And in order to understand your customers better, you need to know where they are and what they want. Finding new customers is an important stage of business. It is not just about who they are, but also what your customers want. If you have a product or service that is not in line with their needs, then you will be unable to find customers who will buy from you. We believe that in order to be successful in business and attract your ideal customers, you need the right strategy. You have to choose a media platform and you have to build that trust to get consistent sales. Where do you get the best strategies? Without doubt, from internet masters, marketing experts, online entrepreneurs, marketing legends, and business gurus. You are trying to get 100 sales a day. You go to the best, to the person with the highest qualities in sales. When you pay for coaching, you want the most sales. You always don't want to lose the money on the deal. How many articles have you read on Google and found all from informations? You also purchase expensive courses that are likely to be well for your own business. Then suddenly you find that course jumbled up and doesn't make sense, and try countless ways and failed miserably. I know what it feels when a business owner has the right strategy and a big desire to succeed. He needs the second part, which is a media platform. So I think I need to stop here, and I want to tell you that there are more effective strategies inside the book that I will explain you step by step how to get more traffic, clients, and customers.